Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. I recorded making these little paw print coasters and was preparing to make this video for my YouTube channel, and my video is corrupted or something. Anyways, it would not allow me to open it or do anything with it. So these are too cute not to share with you. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to actually create them. So I bought this acrylic paw print shaped blank from Moxie Vinyls. And then I have this two-part silicone making from Aero Marine. And the links for everything I use will be in the description box below. But I made me a little box out of cardboard, taped all the inside, and then taped my paw print down inside there and poured the silicone mixture over it. And it is a 1-to-1 ratio. Only takes 4 hours for it to cure. So that's pretty cool. And then I mixed my resin, which was Resin. That's also a 1-to-1 ratio. And I used the two Maribu inks to color my resin, which was the turquoise and then the rainbow ink, which gives it that really sparkly look. It's even better than glitter. And then I poured my into my mold and let it set. And you see how thin this is. So when I actually took my resin print out of the mold, I wanted it to be a little bit thicker for the coaster. So I did a top coat of resin on the top and the bottom and made it a little bit thicker. And then I also cut the paw print out of black vinyl, put it onto the coaster, and then top coated it again. The paw print design comes with the acrylic blank when you buy it from Moxie Vinyls. They send you a digital file, and then whichever one of the blanks that you buy, you get that digital file also. So that's pretty cool. So here they are. They're all nice and cured, and you can see how the coffee cup fits on there just really good. There's plenty of room. They're 5 inches across, so they're a nice size coaster, and they're so sparkly and pretty. So I wanted to share them with you because they're just too cute not to. These would make great little Christmas gifts, or actually anytime gifts, but with Christmas coming up, it's a thought. Especially if you have any animal lovers on your list, this would be a perfect little gift for them. So I hope you've enjoyed the little video, and if you have, please like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now and ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. And if per se you wanted to do a custom order in a different color, I'm open for that, so you can contact me, and all my contact information is below in the description box. And I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.